Benny.
Rondre Tolentino is in. Former San Beda Red Lion, also a former CU Scorpion.
Yes.
Here he is, jacking up a 3. No goal. We are down to our final 2 minutes.
Alam mo kung sino nakinabang dito sa mga laro natin ngayon, tingin ko?
Oh.
Yung mall na katabi natin. Dami sigurong dyan muna nagkita bago tumuloy dito.
Big boy sa loob. Tolentino whips a pass to Jonas Tibayan.
Oh no.
Look out. Poy Yaktub. Fouled by Ivan Kudyamat. So si Ivan Kudyamat naglaro under Coach Gerson.
I like to think, yeah.
Kasi EAC.
Oo.
Di ba?
So, nakasama ba niya sila Lucero?
Yung sila Nobi, di ba? Nobi, Axel Doromal,
Oh yeah.
Pinoy Sakuragi, Mark
Yep.
Pingris,
Pinoy Sakuragi.
still going strong.
Mga father din pagka may time. Ang mga players natin from the MPBL. RJ, right there, taking care of the baby.
Kudyamat having trouble bringing the ball down. It results into a turnover.
Ibabalik pa kaya si Joel?
Parang hindi na eh. Doesn't seem like it.
Yeah.
Malyari though, can't hit the free. Jopet Soriano the rebound. Naagaw na ni Ivan Kudyamat. Pitches it hit. Poy Yaktub catching it. Yaktub takes off. The finger roll won't work.
Ibang klase talaga yung take-off dito ni Poy Yaktub.
Tolentino will scoop it up and in. 79-63, under a minute left.
And when you talk about Poy Yaktub, you go back to that game when we had ilang dunks ba yung ginawa niya nun? Sobrang dami nun.
7.
7, yeah, 7 dunks.
Record yun.
Yeah. That happened in, I think, in Imus.
Sa Imus, tama. Kasi dati siya naglaro sa Imus din, alongside under Coach Boyd Fernandez. Rondre for 3. Off. At Mindoro will secure their first win in impressive fashion. Pretty much a wire-to-wire victory para sa kanila behind a collective effort from them. But nice debut rin para sa Binyan with Nick Cabanyero, 14 points.
And everybody right now, ang takbo, alam mo na kung saan kay Joel. His fan base has really gone here to see him personally. See him perform in the MPBL.
Dinumog na.
Oh, dinumog na.
And that's gonna do it for this game. Mindoro, great job for them parading a new lineup, Coach Mike. Score 65 for Binyan Mega Wagi.